Here we have retina. Yeah, retina.
So it's this white film. That's a retina.
It's torn.
Okay.
Under that is the choroid.
Okay.
The choroid, in this case, it has a reflective layer called the tapetum. You don't know this.
And would that be the macula?
That is probably the optic nerve exiting the eye.
Okay, so
Yeah.
can we see that?
You cannot see the macula on this eye. Okay, so.
But I could see the nerve exiting from the back, see that little bump. Yeah, let me see.
You could, yeah. It's a fairly thick nerve.
Yeah, it was. I could feel it. It was like a bone right here.
Yeah, okay.
See?
Yeah. It's a thick, in the body and its wisdom is going to make sure that nerve is thick and durable. Okay, so we've covered retina, choroid, and of course sclera.
Sclera's the
right
white
there.
part. Okay.
So now we're on the anterior aspect of the eye. This is going to be vitreous humor, the main gelatinous material in the main compartment of the eye. Then if we get rid of the vitreous humor, then we have choroid continuing, right? So it's a continuation of that. But then right here, this dark area,
That's the color of the
that is the ciliary bodies. So those are muscles. I know they don't look like muscles, you know, they're not red, but those black kind of fibers are ciliary muscles that are going to attach to the lens and change the shape of the lens. Okay, in front of the lens is the aqueous humor. So we had vitreous humor here, aqueous humor. The cornea covering this, there's the sclera. And do we have a pupil? We do. There's a pupil. You can see the pupil from the interior. So there's the pupil. And on the outside, the iris, you know, is really not very visible, but we know it's under the cornea around the pupil. The problem, we can't see the iris from this view because the ciliary bodies are underneath. So if we could strip away this the ciliary bodies, then we'd see, in fact we're seeing it there, there's the iris, which is the pigmented part of the eye. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is just a lens.
Yeah, it's a lens.
Okay, so there's no, like, we shouldn't dissect it to see any other parts of it.
Nah, it's just pure.
Gel.
So yeah, so
it's a
Chi,
marble.
if you can send that to me, I'll post it.
Okay.
Just send it to Canvas.
Yeah,